To you guys. I think, yeah, it was on the Kill Bill 1. Urami Bushi. So Urami Bushis look like the relationship that, for example, Naruto and Sasuke they have together, you know what I mean? That kind of like lovely, sadly. Urami Bushi. Play some hip hop, okay? You wonder why they call you bitch?
Like a room, all my homies do is laugh. High fives, cause another nigga played your ass. It was said you was easy, even easy. Sleeping around for what you need. See, it's your thing and you can shake it how you wanna. Give it up free, I'll make your money on the corner. But don't be bad, play the game, get mad, change. Then you wonder why these motherfuckers call your name. Still looking for a way up, and that's okay. I can see you when it's straight is a way up. Keep your mind on your money and roll in school. And as the years pass by, you can show the fruits. But you ain't trying to hear me cause you're stuck. You're heading for the bathroom, about to get tossed up. Still looking for a rich man. You dug a ditch, got your legs up trying to get rich. I love you like a sister, but you need to switch. And that's why they called you bitch. I betcha. You wonder why they call you bitch. 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 You leave your kids with your mama.
So I'm just gonna play you some random Persian rap too.
مود خوبه چرا 4 هفته توری بوم بوم نور و صدا 4 شنبه سوری میگه دیره برو 4 5 سوری سینه سوری 4 فصل جوری میگه چیه پوشیدی با بک و سوری ستاره مثل ما دیدیم ما تک گروهی میخوا بگیره سوری با عکس و سوری یه بار تو رسیدی 400 تا دوری حالا بدن رو میخفنه که قدمه به قدمه بقلمه قبل این که بگم این کلمه ای وای آرزونه دست و باره نامیزونه بد از بس خماره پای میخرد پس پا میده پر حالا تا میتونست بد فک زد تو باره نمیدونه نمیدم نه شماره نمیدونه کمی فرق از خلاصه.
So that's it, I think. So sorry for uploading this video so late. I promise all of you guys for this specific one. So hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any specific song or any suggestion, I would like to hear to improve the videos. I just video this with the 360 because I thought it's much more fun. You watch that way, this way, and also you're gonna see where you are. So basically, as I told you guys before, if you have a room, you just listen to music, it has a good installation and stuff. No matter what you put over there, you're gonna be fine. In your living room, you want to listen to music, you want to play a video game, you want to watch movies. Movies great with this system too. Just you feel you're middle of the movie theater, or whenever you play a video game, it's same too. So yeah, okay, hit me up with whatever you guys want.